congratulations, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Saha. So why I addressed initial like NKS, your name is registered in our test series platform as NKS. That is why on the day one or day two, I think it was a little bit late in getting the result from you. Is it not? Registered as NKS. Anyway, congratulations in securing all India first rank with mechanical stream in GATE 2022. So you are an online test series student of GATE plus ESE 22. Okay. Mr. NKS, briefly tell us about yourself, your success secret.
Myself, Nikhil Kumar Saha, and I am from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I am currently undergoing dual degree course in mechanical and mechanical system design from IIT Bhubaneswar, and I am currently in my 10th semester of my program. And I am being a self-study student. This series helped me a lot in improving my problem-solving skills. So I'm very thankful to you all.
Okay, Mr. Saha. See, when you are writing test series, see if you are stuck up or there are some mistakes, how you use it to tackle that particular situation?
Sir, like whenever I am having some mistakes in solving a question, so mostly first important thing is like I was not looking for the marks or rank, rank what I am getting. I was more important what mistakes I am doing. Suppose in full length test I am getting suppose 80 marks I am getting. So I would be looking where 20 marks are going. So I would deeply analyze that question, like bookmark these questions, and on weekend days, on Saturday Sundays when I would have free time, I would be going through them once again, so that the new concepts or new theoretical anything I would include in my short notes and such for improving them.
Have you prepared any mistake notes? Mistake note, you said you bookmarked. Maintaining any special notes where you will write the mistakes and to rectify in future. Whether you have followed any mistake notes, something like that.
Because like I stick the whole full size of white chart paper on the wall, and whenever some theoretical new concepts in MSQs as such used to come, so I would write them on that chart paper. So new formulas or anything that small mistakes I would make, or some silly mistakes I would make, I would write in that chart paper as such. And
for one thing, I'm really proud of you in the final year, even though it is dual course, I can say that it is almost first attempt. It's a great achievement. See, from a college, see how you use it to manage time. One side, the college academics, the second is GATE preparation. How you used to manage?
Like up to 3 years, third year, I was not so much inclined towards GATE. Now, after the fourth year only, when I got to know that dual degree program in PSUs don't allow to sit for campus placement.
Correct.
So at the end of third year, I started preparing. So most of my basics were clear from like college, sir, what they taught. So most basic notes I would have. Then I tried to go through previous year questions and improved on that notes. And that's how I did. And based on your question like managing time. So initially, what was taught in college, I had my basic strong sessions. So it doesn't took much effort from in third and fourth year, and also due to the online classes, more time was available for me for inducing in the GATE.
Really great. So have you prepared any short notes for every subject?
Those are not for every subject, only for fluid mechanics and heat transfer. I prepared short notes.
I think heat transfer questions were a little bit tough this year. Na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you got 90 plus marks. Na?
Yes, sir. 90.05.
Really? I think it's a record in the history of GATE, I think. That 94 marks is a record. Okay. What are your parents, if you don't know, if you don't mind?
My father is serving as a mechanical engineer in State Electricity Board, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh, excellent.
Okay. And my mother is in house.
Great achievement. So have you got any campus placements?
No, sir. Like I was mostly interested in public sector. So for dual degrees, they don't allow. Private companies came for placements, but I didn't search for them.
In dual degree, apart from mechanical, what is the other degree? MTech only? You get
Ah,
BTech plus MTech?
BTech, MTech in 5 years.
Okay. So, what is your general suggestion to your juniors or future aspirants?
Therefore, we like maintain a continuity in your preparation. Many students I see that suppose semester exams are coming, they would keep
Correct.
the GATE preparation aside. I
Correct.
won't suggest that. Every day, some or the other, you should at least revise the notes or formulas only.
Okay.
And never and paste are there, everything is there. You enjoy your college life, it's a must. And and with that only parallelly try to continue your preparation as well. And for one thing, like many students I talk to, like they're saying, I'm getting less marks in test series. How will I improve my preparation? So for them, like never see the marks, or never see the rank as such.
Correct.
Whatever marks you are getting negative or you are not able to attempt, note down them and improve their accuracy. Because we can see that this year the gate level was too much high than the previous years. And so, based like suppose I'm getting 80 marks in project series. So from the 20 marks, this time from the 20 marks only the questions were coming, the hard questions. So I would suggest that improve on that mistakes, and that's
What is your future plan? Future plan. You want to
my
join a PSU or to do MTech?
no sir. MTech is over, sir. My
Actually, okay. Okay. MTech is over.
uh,
So you will be joining a public sector undertaking
yes,
because you are already from IIT dual degree. Very good.
fine.
Very good. Are you trying for civil services like that in future? Civil services like that.
I haven't thought as seriously, but back of mind, I have had think of attempting at least once.
Very good, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Saha. Congratulations. Convey our regards to your parents and other your teachers also. Okay, Nana? God bless you, beta. God bless you. Okay, thank you.